Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kembas Markal Syabiran with student number 2024-3207. And in this video, I will show you two of my second UI UX practicum project where I designed an e-commerce mobile application called Risk Shop using Figma software. In this presentation, I'll explain the design concept, the structure of both page, the difference between light mode and dark mode, and I'll also demonstrate the navigation bar, the dark mode toggles, and the scrolling features. Finally, I'll explain how I applied several UI UX principles throughout this design. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the overall concept of this application. This shop is designed as a simple and modern e-commerce application where user can browse different product categories, see ongoing promotions, and add product to their carts. Since my student ID number is an odd number, I use the green color palettes as the dominant colors based on assignment requirement. I chose green because it gives a fresh, clean, and trustworthy impression, which fits well in with an online shopping context. The apps consist of two main pages, the homepage and the product catalog page, and both page support light mode and dark mode, which user can switch between using toggle button on the right of the top corner. Okay, let's start with the homepage. At the top, there's a app name, the Risk Shop, and right next to it, on the top right corner, there's a light and dark mode toggle buttons, represented by sun icon and a moon icon. Below that, there's a search bar where user can search for any product they want. After the search bar, there's a promotional banner, which highlight a weekly promo. In this case, a 40% discount along with a shop now buttons to grab the user attentions right away. Next, there's a category section, labeled category, where user can browse through different product types such as fruits, vegetables, bread, and more. Again, I will show it. Okay. Uh, the food, drinks, and the more of it. This section is scrollable horizontally, like this. So users can swipe sideways to see more categories without taking up too much vertical space. Below the category, there's a daily promo section called a promo harian, which also scrolls horizontally, showing discount product like a shampoo, clothing items, and the perfume. And at the very bottom, there's a product list section, simply label product showing general product recommendation. So this is for recommendation product. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, there's a navigation bar with four menu like home, catalog, cards, and profile. But in this my project, I only add two page. There is the home page and the catalog page. Now let's move to the product catalog page. Wait. Okay, product catalog page. Just like the home page, at the top we have the app name and the like or dark mode toggles, and followed by search bar below it. Like after the search bar, there's a horizontal category filter with tabs like semua, kecantikan, fashion, electronic, and more. Again, user can swipe the section sideways to switch between the categories quickly. Below that is the main content, which is the product list, and each product card include a product image, the product name, the category label, the price, and the add to cart button. This list is arranged into columns grid layout. This page also supports vertical scrolling, so users can scroll up and down to see more products as the list goes on. And just like the homepage, the bottom navigation bar is also available here for easy access to other sections of the apps. Now let's talk about the difference between light mode and dark mode. Okay, in light mode, the background is white with the green used as the accent color for button, uh, active tabs, and highlight. This gives a clean and bright look, which is comfortable to use in well-lit environment. And in the dark mode, the background changes to black, while the green accent colors is preserved for button and active elements, but adjust slightly to maintain good contrast against the dark background. This makes the apps more comfortable to use in low light conditions and reduce eye strain. Even though the background and some surface color change, I made sure the layout, spacing, and structure stay exactly the same in both modes. This keeps the experience consistent regardless of which mode in user prefers. Okay, now let's demonstrate the navigation bar. As you can see, the button's navigation bar has four main menus: Home, Catalog, Cart, and Profile. The apps navigates to product catalog page, and when I tap back to Home, it returns to Home page. This allows user to move between app main sections quickly and intuitively. Next, let's demonstrate the light and dark mode tugas. This tugas button is located on the top right of corner. Show us a sun icon for light mode and moon icon for dark mode. The entire interface switch from light mode to dark mode instantly, like this. And the same toggle is also available to product catalog page, working exactly the same way. Now let's move on to scrolling demonstration. First, vertical scrolling. On the product catalog page, as I scroll down, more product appears, and the navbar stay fixed at the bottom, so user can always search main menu no matter how far they scroll. Next, horizontal scrolling. On the homepage here, I'll swipe sideways on the category section. As you can see, more categories appears as I scroll. The same horizontal scrolling also applies to daily promo section, where user can swipe to see more daily promo section, more discount product. And on the catalog page, the category filter tabs is uh, at the top is also support horizontal scrolling, letting user quickly switch between product categories like kecantikan, fashion, and more again. And finally, let's talk about how I applied several UI/UX principles in this design. For consistency, I use the same color palettes, typography, and button style across both pages, so the apps feel unified. For readability, I made sure that the text colors always has enough contrast with the background, especially when switching to dark mode, so the users can read product name and price clearly. For visual hierarchy, important elements like the promo banner and the add to cart buttons are made bigger and more colorful, so users naturally notice them first, while supporting information like categories is placed in small secondary position. For alignment and spacing, I arrange the product card in a neat grid with consistent spacing, so the layout feels organized and not cluttered. For color section, I use the green consistently as the main colors, since it's since it represents as the main colors, represent freshness and trust, which is fits the e-commerce context. And finally, ease of navigation. The bottom navbar and clear category tabs make it simply for user to move around these apps without getting lost. So that's all of my second UX practicum projects, that is Shop e-commerce app design. I designed it using Figma software with a green color palette like dark mode support and both vertical and horizontal scrolling features, while applying key UI UX principles like consistency, readability, visual hierarchy, and ease of navigation throughout the design. And then that's all of my explanation. Thank you for watching, and that concludes my presentation. Thank you.